Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You should not proceed with jailbreaking. It removes important security protections and can brick your device. Instead, immediately make 2 backups, one to iCloud and one local copy to your computer, so you can restore if anything goes wrong. While you do that, note your exact iPad model and that it runs iPad OS 18.5, and confirm your Apple ID and passwords. Once done, we'll explore legal customization paths that achieve similar goals without compromising security. Instead of jailbreaks, use supported tools to extend functionality safely. Start by building or importing shortcuts to automate complex workflows and add custom app-like experiences. If you're a developer, enable developer mode and sideload apps through Xcode on a Mac for testing purposes. This remains within Apple's ecosystem and reverses cleanly. Also search the App Store for reputable utilities that provide the features you want. These approaches give flexibility while preserving updates. Finish by keeping your device current. Install official iPad OS updates and review settings for privacy and permissions to get the best secure experience. If you need more advanced behavior, consult Apple support or developer forums for sanctioned methods. If anything goes wrong while experimenting with supported changes, restore your device from the backups you made earlier. That returns you to a known good state. Remember, restoring is the key troubleshooting tip that undoes most unintended consequences safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.